Put 7 spoonfuls of flour. One teaspoon of sodium bicarbonate. 2 spoonfuls of sugar. Mix well. Add some water. Then mix it properly until the mixture will become a dough. Add 1 egg, then mix it again. Next, put 2 tablespoons of chia pudding. Mix it well. Now it's ready to cook. Wait a minute until the pan is hot. Finally, let's put the dough into the hot pan. After a minute, flip it. Take the pancake from the pan. Put it on a plate. Then put the remaining dough into the hot pan. Cover it. And now let's put 1 spoon of sweetened milk into our first pancake. Done. Let's eat. Yummy. Perfect.